through my scapula while trying to keep my shoulder loose. So if I don't have everything dialed up, I can't move and there's a lot of tension. It's like this totally trusting it. So just getting my posture, keeping everything really loose, and then moving through my scapula. Wow.
You were loose and relaxed.
Wow. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Because we tried this the other day and I couldn't do it. See? I couldn't. I was like, rah, rah, my shoulder was killing me.
You were trying too hard.
I guess so. It was tense.
Too much force.
And so even though I was loose here, my shoulder was tense. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm in song. But I wasn't. As soon as I loosened my shoulder, whoa, it works. That's crazy.
And it doesn't seem like you're coming at me with a lot of force, but it's just slowly pushing me back.
That is so crazy.
But yeah.
It feels really effortless. So that's for everybody who's practicing this, to don't give up like the first time you get with a partner or somebody new or you're trying it out. Just think of it as a puzzle. That's the way I'm starting to approach everything, is I watch somebody, I'm like, how do they do that? And then just looking at it like a puzzle. When you do have a success, what made that success? What made it successful? But it's so counterintuitive. Because honestly, the more I try to use muscle, the less effective it is. And the lighter I am, the more effective it is.
Yeah.
And this is, again, to clarify, this is all without the fascia stuff that I teach. This is just using this, being relaxed in a nice open posture. Grab my finger. Don't pull it. Try 2 fingers so I don't dislocate my finger. Okay. We're just extemporizing here. Grab a hold though. Yeah. So I song and go. Do you feel how you went boom right away? You started to tilt as soon as I song. What happened? What was the difference?
I'm not sure how to put that in words. It's like, yeah, I couldn't resist it.
Yeah. I'll try pushing my elbow.
With my hand?
Yeah. Yeah, push me, like you're going to push me over. Okay, I'm getting over here. Actually, let's move you over because I'm going to be... Yeah, we're just trying stuff. So, I'm in song. She's working a lot.
Yeah.
And that's the other point of all this work, is that like, you don't have to push somebody over. You can just wear them out. Right, so I'm nice and song. She's pushing, but she's kind of collapsed. It's okay. So since she's collapsed here.
But I'm giving a lot of effort.
She's giving a lot of effort. I'm all loose and soft. So to take her, I'll go ahead and connect my elbow to her spine.
Yeah.
You weren't expecting that,
No.
were you? Mm-hmm.
But I could have just almost let go and just let you keep pushing this way and go down. Like.
See, she's puzzling out the opposite side of things.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm loose. She's pressing. Yeah, press. So I'm loose.
Here,
Yeah.
what happens if I just go like that?
Yeah. That's a good question. If I'm in song, I've joined with the force. So in other words, is my elbow too pointy for you? Okay. In other words, I've joined with her and I'm in song, I'm loose. Now, if she releases.
Yeah, I guess since you're loose, you're not going to go to the floor.
Yes.
Because you're not resisting.
Because I'm not resisting, that's right. So if you're pressing and I'm in song, but I'm adding that. Now if you released, I fall in. Surprisingly. That's one of the misconceptions about Tai Chi, is that like the concept of taking their incoming force and redirecting it. People think that it's, if you punched at me, go ahead and punch at me, that I just go like that. Well, that's one of the ways, but it's really that punch is really just, I join with her and then I can apply my force.